Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another episode of M+Bites. Today I'm at Dave's Hot Chicken. They have halal chicken and I got their slider and their tenders. This slider is pretty good. The chicken is, I took the medium for the spice level, and honestly that's perfect. You can at least taste the chicken. I've heard the higher ones are so spicy you can't even taste the chicken because it's so spicy. But that's not really my deal, so. I love how crunchy it is. It's like crispy, juicy chicken. The cabbage coleslaw thing that they have in here is pretty good. What was interesting to me was, like, when I was ordering the food, I noticed that they don't actually give you the sauce or the honey. You have to ask for it. So if you're here, ask for it if you need it. But honestly, it's perfect as it is. So check out the slider at Dave's Hot Chicken. Totally worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna have the chicken tender now. It's basically the same thing you get in the sandwich, the slider. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. This has been fried really well. I was wondering to myself, was it worth like an hour wait for this?
Number 72 and 73.
And the answer is yes. Obviously it's halal. It's cooked really well. I don't think I have the guts to try something really hot, spicy from these guys. But this is just so delicious. I'm enjoying this. If you're in the area, check out Dave's Hot Chicken.